Now by using the nth derivative of 1 by ax plus b is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of n factorial n into a to the power of n by ax plus b whole to the power of n plus 1 formula, let us work out a problem. That is, find the nth derivative of 1 by 6x square minus 5x plus 1. Here y is equal to 1 by 6x square minus 5x plus 1. See, in order to simplify this, we have to find the factors of the denominator. That is 6x square minus 5x plus 1 we have to factorize. So 6 into 1 is 6. For 6 we have to find the two factors. That is 3 2s are 6. 3 and 2 when you add it will be 5. So we want negative. So 6 factors of 6 can be minus 3 and minus 2. When you multiply them you will get plus 6, and when you add it is minus 5. So this equation can be written as 6x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 1. Now remove the common factor among these two. So we get 3x. When you remove 3x common factor, it is 3 2s are 6. So 2x minus 1, and here 2x we want, so remove minus 1 outside, so we get 2x minus 1. Now 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 is common among these two, remove outside, and 3x minus 1. So 2x minus 1 and 3x minus 1 are the factors of 6x square minus 5x plus 1. Therefore, y can be written as y is equal to 1 by 2x minus 1 into 3x minus 1. Okay. Now we have to factorize this to simplify. So this can be written as a by 2x minus 1 plus b by 3x minus 1. See, which implies that a into 3x plus 3x minus 1 plus b into 2x minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, that is equal to 1. Now by putting x is equal to 1 by 3. When you put x is equal to 1 by 3, it becomes 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So a eliminates. So we have to find a and b values here. When you put x is equal to 1 by 3, a into 3 into 1 by 3 minus 1 plus b into 2 into 1 by 3 minus 1 is equal to 1. Let us simplify. See, now it is a into 0 plus 2 by 3 minus 1. Means it is 2 by 3 minus 1, 2 by 3 minus 3 by 3 means you will get 2 minus 3 and LCM is 3. So you will get minus 1 by 3. So plus b of minus 1 by 3. Okay, so by simplifying this we get 2 by 3 minus 1 is minus 1 by 3 is equal to 1. So further this implies that b is equal to minus, when you transfer 1 by 3 to this side, you will get minus 3. And now substitute b value in this, or put x is equal to 1 by 2. Now put x is equal to 1 by 2. Then we get a into 3 into 1 by 2 minus 1 plus b into 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now b vanishes. B becomes 0. So you will get this as a into 3 minus 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So a into 1 by 2 is equal to 1, which implies that a is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. Now the equation becomes y is equal to a by 2x minus 1. A value is 2. So 2x minus 1 plus b by 3x minus 1. B value is minus 3 by minus 1. Now the nth derivative, that is yn, is equal to 2 into the nth derivative of 1 by 2x minus 1 minus 3 into nth derivative of 1 by 3x minus 1. Now at this stage we will make use of the formula, that is the nth derivative of 1 by ax plus b. See, this formula we have derived, that is minus 1 to the power of n factorial n a power of n by ax plus b whole to the power of n plus 1. Now see, when you use this formula here, 1 by 2x minus 1 can be expanded, that is the nth derivative of 1 by 2x minus 1. See, minus 1 to the power of n factorial, a value is 2, so 2 to the power of n by ax plus b means it is 2x minus 1 whole to the power of n plus 1. So this is the nth derivative of 1 by 2x minus 1. We will substitute here, which is 2 into minus 1 to the power of n factorial 2 to the power of n by 2x minus 1 whole to the power of n plus 1. Similarly, we can expand this. It will be minus 1 to the power of n factorial. A is 3 here, so 3 to the power of n by 3x minus 1 whole to the power of n plus 1. Further, by simplifying this, the nth derivative of the given function is, see, 2 into 2 to the power of n means 2 to the power of n plus 1. So minus 1 to the power of n factorial n 2 to the power of n plus 1 by 2x minus 1 whole to the power of n plus 1 minus 3 into 3 to the power of n is 3 to the power of n plus 1. So minus 1 to the power of n factorial n 3 to the power of n plus 1 by 3x minus 1 whole to the power of n plus 1. This is the required nth derivative of the function y is equal to 1 by 6x square minus 5x plus 1. Like this, we can find the nth derivative of the given function by using the nth derivative of 1 by ax plus b. Thank you.